Nkechi is one person who, regardless of whatever differences you have, she'll tell you you might not get to talk in the next 100 years. All she needs to do is just see you. And I think that is a very, very rare characteristic in we humans.
I was the one that did it, so it's real. Nkechi, careful. Take it. Help me hold it.
$10,000. No, as in $10,000. I bet she did.
Oh, I did it now.
3.6 million. Idris!
Don't trust me, my yeah, my worry.
Idris!
My worry.
Ah, okay. No, it's not about the money, but it is. Where is Idris?
He has got to hide.
Wow. Idris, thank you. Owó mi ti jábọ̀, owó yẹn owó yẹn pọ̀, mo sunkún bọ̀, ojú tó máa sunkún máa rí o. Ah, ayé mi tèmi ta $10,000. Ẹ máa gbé kéèkì lọ.
Ẹ máa gbé kéèkì lọ. Ẹ jẹ́ kéèkì lọ bá kú.
Royal Oaks ẹ ṣé o.
Ẹ̀yin tèmi ní lólóko lẹ́yìn òdì, èmi ọmọ yín Nkechi Blessing Sunday #1 ogun àgbáyé ìràwọ̀ òwúrọ̀, ọmọ tó ń sọ tí wọ́n sọ tán, ògo tí ò lè ṣá láyé tó máa tàn káàkiri gbogbo àgbáyé.
Ògo tó ṣá prapra.
Ó ti yé yín.
Ògo tó ṣáná. Nkechi Blessing Sunday náà ni. Ẹ ṣọjọ́ obìnrin lẹ́ni. àdẹ̀rí pé inú yín dùn ayọ̀ yín kún lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ kí ni a lè sọ pàtó tó jẹ́ bí àwọn tó ń jẹ́ kí ìdùnnú yẹn tún pọ̀ jù.
Ẹ mọ̀ pé tí a bá ti jí láàárọ̀ ìdùnnú kan ni pé a lè lajú a lè gbé bọ́dì a lè gbéra ó yẹ ká máa dúpẹ́. Mo wá rí 31 nínú gbogbo ètò ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ní Nàìjíríà ó yẹ kí n máa dúpẹ́ kí n máa ṣe ayẹyẹ kí n máa ṣe kíni kí n máa faraya kí n máa daraya kí n máa ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ náà ni.
Yálà yẹ anybody kọ́lọ̀ ń jẹ́ kó dúró ẹ̀wọ̀ yín ara lé mo ṣàmọ̀ pé owó yín ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì wà ní báǹkì yín ẹ má ṣe kọ́ mọ́ kan nọ́mbà ṣe máa má kan náà.
906 kọ́ máa dà sínú ẹ̀ account number mi nìyẹn GTB. Ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Nkechi Blessing Sunday ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣẹ́rí ní 2020 yìí ẹ má dá ọwọ́ ìfẹ́ yẹn dúró ẹ jẹ́ kí ìfẹ́ yẹn kó máa ṣe kíni kó máa gbòòrò sí nínú ọkàn yín kó máa mì yín jìgìjìgì torí pé gbogbo nǹkan tí bá ti ń dá síta báyìí kẹ́ máa ṣe kíni kẹ́ máa bá mi fìfẹ́ gbà ṣẹ gbọ́ èmi ọmọ yín tó rẹra ń bọ̀ mo shoot tó rẹra not long so láìpẹ́ ó yẹ kí n release ẹ̀ kó jáde lórí àti mọ̀bí ta fẹ́ ta fíìmù yẹn sí torí fíìmù tó lágbára gan ni so mi ò kàn fẹ́ jù síta bẹ́ẹ̀ mo ní láti jókòó kí n robi tó máa make sense mo máa ju tó rẹra sí mo tún ṣe fíìmù kan sinimá kan ní Amẹ́ríkà tí mo ṣẹ̀dé yìí náà Love Triangle ló ń pè yẹn náà máa hot gan so 2020 àwọn nǹkan tó ń bọ̀ pọ̀ mi ìṣọ̀pẹ̀lẹ̀ handle ẹ̀ ó ga gan so ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ ṣé o ẹ kúfẹ̀ẹ́.
Where is Idris?
He's outside.
Thank you so much. Take it inside.
He's outside.
No, wait. Don't go. Stay here. Stay like this. Where my younger sister? Because all these faces where they see here, the money plenty. I don't like it. Okay, I'll be Lele. Thank you so much. What happened again?
It's just for producers for your house.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Where is it?
He's outside.
And I'm sick of
What is that long? Thank you so much. Thank you. I kept asking you, where's my birthday? He said, go and use it.
Happy birthday to you.
What's the saxophone?
Happy birthday to you. Happy
birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Idris! Idris! Oku, ó wà nù hall ẹ bá mi lọ pè.
Kó wá báyìí. Mariam àti Taluma get you on.
What?
You deserve it.
How? Who am I?
Oya, just Oya, bring it to me.
Ade, thank you for no hand. Ade, thank you, Royal. Thank you so much. Guys, thank you to everybody that has my picture on the shirt. God bless you guys abundantly. I am so happy. Like, apparently this is one of the best birthday of my whole life. It is not even about the money, it is because of the person that this surprise is coming from. I never expected this. I am in shock, but I'm very sure I'm going to get over it soon because I need all the strength I need all the strength I can get to party tonight. Thank you so much, Honorable Idris Aregbe. You are more than a friend to me, and I can say it anywhere that I will love you to the end of time, as a big brother, as a daddy, as everything. Thank you for always giving me listening ears whenever I want something and not flinching. Thank you so much, Idris Aregbe. God bless you. From the bottom of my heart, I say God bless you. Thank you so much. Royal Hawk Surprises, thank you so much.
Kí lẹ lè sọ ní kúkúrú nípa Nkechi Blessing Sunday eléyìí tó ń ṣọjọ́ bí lọ́jọ́ tẹ́ni.
Well, Nkechi Blessing ó jẹ́ èèyàn tí gbogbo àwọn èèyàn nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí gan ní Yoruba industry. Ó dẹ̀ jẹ́ èèyàn tó jẹ́ wípé ó máa ń bá àwọn èèyàn ṣeré ẹ mọ̀ ó máa ń tètè use máa àwọn èèyàn gan. Even èèyàn tí kò mọ̀ rí tẹ́lẹ̀ ó ti yẹn sìn tó bá rẹ̀ nìyẹn for the first time so even tẹ́ni ẹ̀gan ò bá tiẹ̀ fún attention so òun fún ara ẹ̀gan ló máa try láti make friend pẹ̀lú ẹni ẹ̀ so she's a very good person.
A ti tó bí ọdún mélòó tẹ́ ti mọ̀ Nkechi Blessing Sunday.
Ó máa ti tó ọdún kan báyìí tí màá tẹ́tí mọ́ra.
Ọdún kan and láti bí ọdún kan tẹ́ kí lẹ lè sọ ní kúkúrú nípa Nkechi Blessing.
Well, time gba tí màá tẹ́ máa mọ́ra orí set kan lè máa tẹ́tí pàdé so èmi kọ́ ni mo kọ́kọ́ bá a sọ̀rọ̀ òun fún ara ẹ̀ ló bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́jọ́ yẹn ló sọ pé ní ó bá director ẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ pé kí ló ń ṣe Majek
pé Majeko kí why is he not talking, is he not friendly or something. So èmi náà wá wò pé pé kíkẹ́ tó lè sọ irú ọ̀rọ̀ báyìí, so èmi náà ní láti comport immediately. So bí mi náà ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń bá sọ̀rọ̀ nìyẹn, so bí a ṣe wá jẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ from there.
Baba God don't answer my prayer. Adura mi ti gba, Baba God don't reply my message. Adura mi ti gba, Baba God don't pick my call. Adura mi ti gba, Baba God ẹ ṣé o. Mo ti gbàwẹ̀ fún ọjọ́ méje. Mo ti ṣègbélé, mo ti lórí òkè. Ìdè mi ti jẹ́, àdúrà mi ti gbà. Àwọn bínú ẹni, wọ́n ti wá bí gbà. Back in the days, no girl dey look my face. But nowadays, they want to enter the place. Yeah, they call me sugar, sugar. Honey, honey, sugar, sugar. Because of my money.
Orí àkànkè gbogbo nǹkan tí mo nílérò fún ní rí Ọlọ́run á jẹ́ kó débẹ̀ kó tún jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ, because investment àwa púpọ̀ ní bó ṣe wà ẹ̀. Ẹ lè máa wọ́n pé Nkechi Blessing Sunday, but tẹ bá ń wá àwọn èèyàn tó ń tap lára ẹ̀ kì í ṣe àwọn ẹni tó jẹ́ mọ̀lẹ́bí ẹ̀ kan. I've been a beneficiary of kindness, and I'm sure thousands of people that will even come and open pages on Instagram and abuse àwọn wèrè tó ń jẹ lábẹ́ ẹ̀ náà wà lára wọn.
Toro bí káyé mi bàjẹ́, Ọlọ́run ò jẹ́, ẹ̀yin àṣẹ bàjẹ́ ojú ti tì yín, ọmọ ròdò.
I'm gonna have to manage my voice like this because sincerely I have been having serious cough for like 2 days now. But calm down. Take a deep breath. You know, seeing beautiful faces inside this. You know why I did not put the venue on my card? Because I wanted to control the crowd. But it's obvious the crowd can't be controlled as a Malian. Our no manners. Thank you so much for coming out for me tonight, because it takes love to see so many people gathered. Thank you. So like I said, refreshments will start soon. We started off really late because we were waiting for people to turn up. We don't want to give you something that is cold. We want to serve it hot. You get? So once again, thank you guys for coming out tonight to celebrate with me. God bless you. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the night. I'm going to hand over the microphone to my host, the hottest, Karen Spikes. Give it up for her. Clap for her now. Get done.
Be scared of God. Have the mercy of God on me. Alright, hi everyone. Good morning. Thank you for coming through. Please, before I get this started, a round of applause. I'm not feeling the round of applause, please. It's getting really hot in here. Please, a round of applause for MBS.
Tí máa ní kí n máa ṣàlàyé nípa Nkechi, àwọn nǹkan tí mo máa ní láti sọ nípa ẹ̀ ní why mi ò ní lè sọ dáadáa ní Yorùbá, so I will just say them in English. She's actually a very supportive person. She's very, 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 very stubborn. She's very, very, extremely, very nice, and she's somebody who I think has a very, very beautiful heart. Nkechi is one person who, regardless of whatever differences you have, she'll tell you you might not get to talk in the next 100 years. All she needs to do is just see you. And I think that is a very, very rare characteristic in we humans. So she's just who she is, and we're thankful for how far she's come. So while doing bó ṣe ń lù ó ń dún, bó dẹ̀ ṣe ń tẹ̀síwájú ó ń ríṣẹ́. Ọlọ́run á dẹ̀ túbọ̀ máa ràn lọ.
Látìgbà tí ẹ ti mọ Nkechi, ǹjẹ́ ẹ lè sọ wípé bóyá ó ti ní àwọn ìgbà kan àbó ní àwọn ìwà kan tí ẹ rò pé okay, Nkechi mo fẹ́ kó improve lórí eléyìí, Nkechi mo fẹ́ kó drop eléyìí?
Ìwé ẹ̀yọ̀kan tí gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ nípa Nkechi tẹ́mi lè sọ kíbi is gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ pé Nkechi jẹ́ èèyàn kan tó ní agídí tó dẹ̀ jẹ́ pé tó bá bu ó máa sáré gbé fún ẹ gbígbóná bọ̀ adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. She's 31 now, so bóun náà ṣe ń dàgbà sí òye ayé ń yé the more, and like we always pray for her, more wisdom, more grace. So ìsìn ó ti ń yé pé gbogbo nǹkan kan nìyẹn máa ń fèsì sí. So lẹ́yìn ìyẹn gbogbo ala níbi tá a kò sí pàkó ń pàkọ́ dẹ̀ la máa ń rí àkìrí pàkọ́ ara wa. So ẹni tó bá ní Nkechi ò ṣe tó kóun náà ṣe tiẹ̀, ẹni tó bá dẹ̀rọ̀ ń gbé Nkechi ṣe jù òun náà wà lẹ́nu tiẹ̀ náà.
Production. Súnmọ́ mi wá bá mi jó, wá bá mi jó. Fàmọ́ mi ragabo mi, ragabo mi. Wá gbé mi sáyà, na you I desire. Baby I know the lie, baby I know the lie. Ọmọge adó, do, 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 do. Ìsàlẹ̀ Èkó, kó, 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 kó. Olè tó, 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 tó. Dákun wá bá mi jó. Ọmọge adó, do, 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 do. Ìsàlẹ̀ Èkó, kó, 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 kó. Olè tó, 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 tó. Baby wá bá mi jó. Oh yeah. When I look into your eyes, I see paradise. I see you and I in the paradise, living a better life, living a good life. Tati jẹ gbádùn ara wa, tati ní ilé bí ara wa. Me and you, one on one, have a good body, off the line. Hakuna matata, hakuna maganya. Tonight we go there, tonight we go there. Súnmọ́ mi wá bá mi jó, wá bá mi jó. Fàmọ́ mi ragabo mi, ragabo mi. Wá gbé mi sáyà, na you I desire. Baby I know the lie, baby I know the lie. Ọmọge adé, do, 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 do. Ìsàlẹ̀ Èkó, kó, 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 kó. Olè tó, 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 tó.
Do something real quick. That's the part where, I asked 5 people to say something about, the telegram, the kind of person she is, what takes her, and all that. I'm just going to 5 people, so please, you have your reservations about it, we talk about that later. But right now,
Yes, I don't know. Yeah. Yo, Patama. I see you, bro. I go to now, respect. Yeah, NK has been my friend for a very long time now. You can like 10 years now. MBS. She's a very good person to me, as in she has been supporting me, in every way, if I start saying a lot of things about her, won't leave it. I'll say God for you to bless her and lift her,
Another actor to talk about this, madam. Don't use life of a party. Anywhere she is, you must notice it. She cannot hide her feelings. I love you so much, and I wish you happiest birthday ever. Continue to be you. Do not change for anybody at all. You hear
No
me?
freaking body. Thank you, baby.
All right, a round of applause for her.
Jennifer.
I want to wish you a happy birthday. Nkechi, thank you for supporting my brand. Thank you for always being there.
Let's see your face.
Thank you for your
love.
Thank you for the support, and I wish you a very, very
They go kill and show. Yeah. I was not expecting this. I'm a different person. But what I know is that whatever I tell you guys about Nkechi this night, you won't get to know it because I'm the only one who knows about what I'm saying. Since 2006, and I can bet it nobody here know her from that time that I'm talking about. If you know her from 2006, stand up. Let's bet. I will ask some questions and you won't be able to answer it. Secondary school, no one buy, so don't go in. Cool in there. Nǹkan tẹ́ gbé ó ti pọ̀ jù lọ. Àwa wà ń bí. Àní sọ jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ.
So if you get to like
one and only wonderful director, a creative and
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
One thing I will say to you so on the final note, there's this handsome man. Good morning, everybody. It has just been a very good person. I've been saying, I've seen her a couple of times. I love her movies and all. Just keep being you. So Nkechi requested the chef to talk. Is that okay, Pastor Michael? Good morning, everybody. Anyway, I don't know her too much, but I know she's a God-fearing person.
God-fearing, you guys hear that? Like I'm born again. Like I'm born again. Praise the Lord, somebody!
There for us. The journey has not been easy, but you're still here. I wish you long life, prosperity, and everything that your heart desires. And yeah, I wish you a happy birthday. You already know that I love you.
Big shout out to everyone that is here. Big shout out to Sardi. Big shout out to Comedy D1. Nollywood actors, everybody else, Big Sam, Idris Aregbe, CEO Connecting Lagos Street. And I would like to say a big shout out to those at the back. Àwọn tó wà lẹ́yìn yẹn. Àwọn tó fọ̀jà sọ̀rọ̀ tí mò ń sọ. Okay. Anyways, quick one. I think that's where we should have competition.
Auntie Miriam, any MBS birthday, Nkechi Blessing Sunday. Kí lẹ lè sọ nípa Nkechi Blessing ní kúkúrú?
Èèyàn dáadáa ni wọ́n tán níwà. Wọ́n máa ń sọ pé ìwà lẹ́wà. Àwọn níwà, wọ́n dẹ̀ tún lẹ́wà sí. And ọjọ́ yẹn kan tó nice, wọ́n máa ń kó àwọn èèyàn mọ́ra. Tẹ́ bá kọ́kọ́ rí wọn, ẹ máa fi pé ẹni yìí máa burú kíní kan, but tẹ́ bá súnmọ́ wọn, ẹ máa mọ̀ pé wọn kì í ṣe irú èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Mo dẹ̀ gbàdúrà fún wọn lẹ́ni pé wọ́n máa ṣe ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọdún láyé nínú owó ńláńlá, nínú ọlá ńláńlá, nínú àìkú baálẹ̀ rẹ̀ lágbára Ọlọ́run.
Kí lẹ sọ nípa ìhà tí ẹ̀yin fúnra yín kọ sí Nkechi Blessing àbí ìhà tí Nkechi Blessing kọ sí?
Èmi jẹ́ bí personal assistant wọn tẹ́lẹ̀, that's about 2018. So ìgbà tó di pé mo lọ serve torí mo graduate mo lọ serve and mi ò ní ráyè because màmá lọ sí PPA and all that. So ìgbà yẹn lọ pàdé Michael tó jẹ́ bí assistant fún mi lẹ́nìí. So I can't really ríra much náà, but bá ṣe kí n ríra ṣe máa ń sọ̀rọ̀, a máa ń keep in touch. Tó bá pè mí pé Mariam máa bọ̀ níbi báyìí, mo máa lọ síbẹ̀ torí ọjọ́ yẹn nǹkan tí mo respect gan tó dẹ̀ mú mi bí àbúrò bí ọmọ, so kò sí nǹkan tí mi ò lè ṣe fún wọn. Kí
làwọn kan tẹ fẹ́ kí ẹ fẹ́ gbà wọ́n lámọ̀ràn lórí nǹkan kan àbí?
Mo máa gbà wọ́n lámọ̀ràn pé kó rọra máa bínú. Dó wọ́n máa sọ pé èèyàn ò lè dá tán, èèyàn ò dẹ̀ lè wà kó má ní ìwà kan tó kù. MBS máa ń bínú, but then ó jẹ́ èèyàn kan tó nínú fùfù, tó bá ti bínú, tó bá ti sọ gbogbo nǹkan tó fẹ́ sọ tán. Ó ti tán, but at that moment no, wọ́n máa ń bínú, but then èèyàn lè wà náà kó máa ní, so everybody náà ló ní his or her flaws, but mo mọ̀ pé with time táwọn náà bá ti ń gbọ́rú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ń pa wọn, àwọn náà máa adjust.
ṣé àánú láyé mi bàbá. SB Studio Boss. Answer my prayer. Me I want your wonder. They must be the girls them, yeah. As I dey hustle and I dey pray, make my body tumba mi she. Kiriba ti she, karaye man foro mi to she. Cause I don't try, I don't hustle. Making Jenny on life, daddy mommy so.
I want to say thank you again to everybody sitting in this hall, in this space. It is hot. After the cutting of the cake, we are moving to the poolside, so we'll party. Nigerians. Yeah. Why you guys so fast though? Anything more for? Alright, once again, thank you everybody. Sadly, I see you. Thank you so much for coming. So to everybody sitting here tonight, you all are so important to me. Because if you are not important to me, and I am also important to you, you won't be sitting here tonight. Thank you so much. Thank you. I am so. The refreshments are coming in one after the other. Please bear with me. But once we go outside, the party is gonna be lit. Like there are going to be naked people everywhere. I go out.
Me, I want it done. Oh my God. Baba look at you.
You already know.
Kori mi ba mi she na. Give me me jamo. Me, I want it done. Baba look at you. Kori mi ba mi she na.
Nkechi jẹ́ èèyàn kan tó jẹ́ pé ó kọ́yàn mọ́ra lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀. Inú ẹ̀ dẹ̀ dá gan-an, èèyàn tó yẹ pé onínúure èèyàn ni, afẹ́nifẹ́re èèyàn ni, èèyàn tó yẹ pé ó máa ń bóníire yọ̀ ní gbogbo ọ̀nà, kò mọ̀gbà kan ni wọn kì í celebrate èèyàn. Nkechi is a very very good person tó yẹ pé mi lè explain bó ṣe dá tó. Ẹ lágbára Ọlọ́run ọ̀rẹ́ mi, èmi aṣọ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọdún láyé o, ayé ò ní gẹ̀mí ẹ̀ kúrú o, ìràwọ̀ ẹ̀ ò ní wọ́ mi, ògo ẹ̀ ò ní wọ́kùn lórúkọ Jésù, ìgbà ọdún kan.
Nkechi Blessing jẹ́ ẹni tó jẹ́ pé àwọn èèyàn like dáadáa, ó máa ń ṣeré, ó wà friendly, kò kí ń pretend and kò kí ń keep síra ẹ̀. So ó jẹ́ èèyàn kan tó nice. Mo gbàdúrà pé a máa rí ọdún mọ́dún nínú owó ayọ̀ àtàláfíà.
I pray for more blessings and more greatness. I pray she moves forward more than her expectations.
Sexy ladies, come forward. Hey, why everybody, sexy girls. Zainab, come on. Zainab, Fazima, Precious.
If you want to go to the poolside now, okay, starting now is rated 30. So if it's getting too hot for you in here, you can please move to the pool. That's where the party proper is going to start. And we're giving up for like 5 minutes. So if you want to take pictures, please come forward. And if you want to go to the pool, move back and a little back up.
Nkechi jẹ́ ọ̀kan tó yẹ pé very very humble person. Kò ń ṣe báyìí, kò ń ṣàbàgà bèbè. Ìyá mi dùn pé mi ò pé dáadáa. And that's the reason why I think she like her, because she's very straightforward. Her yes is a yes, her no is a no. So because of her loyalty as a friend to me, yeah, I really sorrow. I really most times. Because I only about willing, but I show you already Timothy no rara, but èèyàn gidigidi gan ló jẹ́ sí mi. Èèyàn pàtàkì pàápàá. Nkechi lọ́jọ́ èní lágbára Ọlọ́run gbogbo ohun tó ti ń rò lọ́kàn ẹ̀ sí rere tí pé ní tí wàá jẹ́ birthday ẹ̀ Ọlọ́run á mú wá sí ìmúṣẹ gbogbo àdúrà tó ti ń gbà ní kọ̀kọ̀ Ọlọ́run máa sọ fún ẹ̀ gbàgbà lágbára Ọlọ́run.
ṣe àánú láyé mi bàbá.
SP Studio Boss.
Answer my prayer. Me want your wonder. They must be the girls them, yeah. As I dey hustle and I dey pray, make my body tumba mi she. Kiriba ti she, karaye man follow me push. Cause I don't try, I don't hustle. Making journey on life. Daddy mommy solve plenty puzzles just to see me through the way. Mo de ti ball on do, Only keep poverty battle. More than Tibolu Adobo. I literally must stay in my life no more. You better change your ways. And I go loud of me. You better watch your space. And I go loud of me, yeah. Me, I want your wonder. Show me your wonder. Me, I want your wonder.
Ẹ̀yin tẹ̀mẹ́ tí rí pé Nkechi Blessing ọmọ tó gbayì ni ọmọ tó ṣe kíni ọmọ tó ta lẹ́nu gbòòrò ayé ni ọmọ tó rí ẹ̀ wà ń bẹ̀ dìgbì ọmọ tó ṣe kíni tó sọ́ra síbẹ̀ Nkechi tick ọmọ eléyìí ò ṣe tick forest Nkechi tick gan. Kò wá ní ju báyìí lọ lórí birthday eléyìí tí Nkechi Blessing Sunday tó ń ṣe lọ́jọ́ tẹ̀ni ẹ̀yin tẹ̀mí ẹ ti feel gbogbo àwọn iṣẹ́ yẹn náà ẹ ti mọ̀ náà báwọn náà la máa ń fún yín ní the best àwọn nǹkan tó da tó ṣe kíni tó do ẹ ti mọ̀ náà you do ẹ. AY Bello the star boy presenter yín náà rẹ̀ ẹ méjì òkè ń jáṣà eléyìí tó bá jáṣà ẹ gbàgbé irọ́ ni ọ̀run ó ti tọ̀ ọ̀run nìyẹn àwa ti ń lọ báyìí a ti ń lọ náà ẹ jẹ́ kí n máa ẹ ṣe kíni ẹ̀yin má gbàgbé láti lọ sórí YouTube channel wa kọ́ lọ tẹ subscribe button yẹn tẹ́ bá ti tẹ àyà tó bá yẹ pé lórí Instagram náà ni @Kilarigbo live náà ni ẹ máa bá wa bẹ̀ gbogbo bó bá yẹn ṣẹlẹ̀ òun náà la máa já yín tán bó bá yẹ pé èmi ọmọ yín olólùfẹ́ yín náà ni AY Bello lẹ́fẹ̀ẹ́ tẹ̀lé ẹ tẹ̀lé mi lórí Instagram náà @AY Bello baby gbogbo ẹ̀ náà la máa fún yín jẹ èmi mo ti fẹ́ máa lọ báyìí ẹ wò ẹ nílé ìwòsàn yín tèmi ẹ jẹ́ kí n máa lọ mo fẹ́ lọ join party yẹn ó ń ṣe kí ni toró ń gbóná fẹlifẹli.